All right. So let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following set of numbers contain all the factors of 20?
Parents answer.
Yeah, man. That would be the factors of 20. You know what are factors?
Yes, sir. Like the numbers that you would multiply to
give you 20, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So just put the marker. So factors are numbers that you can multiply. For example, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, right? Or we can say factors are number that can go divide equally into 20, including 20 without a remainder. So that would be A. All right. It says, which of the following statement is not true? A, 0 is a prime number. B, 9 is a multiple of 3. C, 7 is a prime number. D, 12 is a factor of 12. Which of these would not be true?
A.
Which of these would not be true? A. Very good. 0 is not a prime number. All right. Welcome. All right. Number 3 says 7 raised to the 3rd power. What would be the answer for that?
Sir, 21.
All right. Well, how you get 21?
Sir, because it's cubed, so that would be 7 times 3, which is 21.
All right. That's one way to look at it. What does 7 to? You notice that the 3rd power, the 3 is smaller.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what does that mean?
Sir, the number cube.
It means that the number 7 should be multiplied by itself 3 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we have to do is to multiply 7. Welcome, Malcolm, times 7, right? So it will be 7 multiplied by 7, 7, 7, 49, and then you multiply 49 by 7. So 7, 9, 63, 7, 4 is 28, and that 34. So it would be 343. All right, let's look at number 4. It's being recorded here, Malcolm, so the others that you missed, you will get the benefit of it. All right. Number 4. Welcome, Christina. What's for number 4? What's the square root of 64?
Sir, 8.
8. How did you get 8? Anyone want to help him out?
Sir,
what it is, it's the square root means a number multiplied by itself to give you 64.
Sir,
right?
can I do it?
So that is correct. It's 8. You just have the explanation, right? Square root actually means what number multiplied by itself can give you 64, right? And that is 8. That is correct. Let's move on to 5. What is 82,000 written in standard form? All right, tell you what, guys, the decimal point is right here, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move and take the decimal place to this point right here. So the number of places that we move, that's what we're gonna multiply it by 10 times whatever. Look, so it's 1, 2, 3 times 10 to the number of places we move. How many places we move?
4.
4. Yeah. So that would be C. All right. Look at number 5 now. What is 9.3 times 10 to the 6? What's the rule when you're multiplying by like
C? C?
C?
Yes, C.
All right. Let us check it out. So what we do now, guys, we're gonna move 6 places, right? To our right because it's zeros. So let us just put some zeros to hold the space in the meantime. So we have put some zeros and see. And then now we move it based off of that, where the decimal point. All right. Morning, Chief. Yeah, man, we're on. I texting. Yeah, man. Later, I'm recording it. So I did text in the group that I would. Yeah, I know. I had an engagement and I never remember. So yeah, but I will find some time and go cheat with her before I pick some. So she have the code and everything already. All right. All right, guys. So we're gonna move 6 places now. Let us see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did the exact amount. It's awesome. Yes, so it is C. All right. Let's look at this question 7 now. It said, on one day in England, the temperature outside was -6 degrees. The temperature inside was 24 degrees. Running that. All right, let me forward back to you. Yeah. All right, guys. Somebody having a little difficulty? I'm not sure. Should have the right code, you know, because I don't change my code.
Sir, 18 degrees Celsius. C.
You got 18. All right. Everyone agree with that? All right. So let us look at it. Everyone agree with 18? This is a very tricky question, guys. I know what you did, right? Because I see negative and positive, right? So you just subtract. But it can be a little bit tricky than that. Let me show you something. Now, when it's negative in temperature, it's below 0, right? So that would come down here. So this is negative here. So the difference is actually 6 plus 24. So the difference is actually 30. As I say, it's a very tricky question. Sometimes even my adult students, they find it hard to comprehend. But the difference would be 30. What is a binary number? This is not a part of your tutorial. But I'm gonna do it quick. This is not a part of your tutorial. This is a City level 3, but the questions are very similar to what you'll be doing on your PEP. All right. So what we do, we put 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 3. The ones with 0, we cross them out. 2 to the 1 is 1. So we just say 1, 2 to the 1 is 2. So add 2. I'm just gonna go through this quickly. And 2 to the 3 is 8. So we add all of these and we get 11. All right. So that is not a part of your syllabus. However, it's on the paper. All right. This is a part of your syllabus. Solve 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.13 plus 0.2. What's the answer for that, guys? Work it out and tell me what you get, all right?
0.83.
See?
0.83 you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Sir,
other
I
answer?
got C.
You got C?
C.
0.80? Okay.
Yes.
Hold on, guys. Mom, may I say something here? I say something now. It actually started already. Yeah, no man, it's the same one, but I think I'm gonna send it. They just like yeah. I use this one whenever I want to record it, so it's being recorded. All right, guys, let's go. So what we have to do is to work out the what first, the bracket, right? So what we have to do, we have to add 0.5 plus 0.13 plus 0. And then add this. This will give us 3, right? 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So the total is 0.83. But think about it now. We're going to subtract this from 1. So even though you added it and you get 0.83, that's not the answer. We're going to subtract this now. It's almost as if you're saying 100 subtract 83, right? 3 from this is what? 0. Put a 1 here, so.
Sir,
No, put a 9 and a 1. So 3 from 10, 7. 8 from 9, oh Lord, something like that. So it's 0.17, right? So it's actually 8. Guys, you have to look careful. See the one there? It's 1 subtract that, all of this. So you total this. Welcome to the new person who just joined. It's being recorded. You will get the recording, all right? And then we subtract. So after we add it, we subtract it from 1. We can write 1 as 1.00, all right? Let's move on to 10. You guys go ahead. A customer buys a bag of flour that costs $2.79 and a box of eggs that costs $4.65. How much change would the customer receive from $10? Go ahead and attempt that one also.
D?
B. You work it out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the others? Work it out, guys. All right.
sir, A.
You got A. All right. So we have a difference in opinion. So it's pretty straightforward, right? It says a customer buys a bag of flour that costs $2.79 and a box of eggs that costs $4.65. How much change? Notice what they say. How much change should the customer receive from $10? So it's very similar to the one that we just did a while ago. We total the total money spent, right? Why internet at all? Why is that? I don't understand. Yes, not 14, so that's 4, carry 1. 6, 7, 1, 8, 8 and that's 14, so that's 4. A total of $7.44. All right, so you spend us, so you're gonna subtract that from $10.44 can give you $10. So we just subtract, right? So we borrow 1 again, so that left 0. This 9, 9, and then you put 1, right? So 4 into that leave 6, not into 4 from that, and then this leave 5, 7 from that leave 2. So that leaves $2.56. So it's 8. Guys, you have to be careful with them, all right? All right, go ahead and do number 11. what is 42 multiplied by 1.05? Work it out, guys. Tell me what you get when you finish. Anyone? All right, guys. You guys working on it?
Good morning, sir.
Okay. What you got? All right, guys. You can just speak like regular, right? So 200 plus 1, that's 1, 2 ones, 2. We're not gonna multiply by 40. So what we do, we put a 0 and by 40, right? Let me change the color now. All right, so we're gonna say 4, 5, 20. So that's 2, carry 0. 400 plus 2, that's give it 2. And then 4 times 1, that is 4. So we just add now. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4. And that gives us 4. Now, at the start, we add 2 decimal points, right? So what we do have to do that same way. So from here, 1, 2. So that is 44.10. Let's look at number 12. How many 0.75 liter bottles of water can be filled from 60 liters of water? Anyone know the conversion, right? You guys know the conversion? How many? Oh, both of them are in the same unit. It's 0.75 liter, right? And 60 liters. It's the same unit. Sorry. So all we have to do is divide, right? So we're gonna convert this to a whole number. So what we do, it comes to now. Let's show you guys. So the same thing that we did to that, someone do this for me. Divide 6,000 by 7. When I finish, you guys tell me, all right? Well, you had it already. We're on that. We're on from 8. What you get, guys? 6,000 divided by 75.
Sir?
Yeah, what you got?
Sir, 80.
80. All right, well done. All right, so first you say 75 into 6. You can't. 75 into 60, you still can't. 75 into 600, and that goes 8 times, right? And then you multiply 8 times. Put the numbers under the numbers carefully, right? 8, 7, 56 plus that. 600, right? 0. 75 into 0, 0. All right, so that is 80. All right, what about 13? What is 0.7 times 0.5?
Sir, 0.35.
Very good. It's 2 decimal places, so our answer should have 2 decimal places, right? And that means 2 numbers must come after the decimal point. Well done. Find the total cost of, oh, here comes Katie. Find the total cost of 2.5 kilogram of chicken fillets at $4.20 per kilogram and 0.75 kilogram of cheese at $10.80 per kilogram. Go ahead and attempt that one. Guys, these are a bit critical thinking questions, but nevertheless, you have to try, right? It's best to be prepared as much as possible. That's the aim, right? That is my job. All right, let us see how we'll approach it. All right, so it says find the total cost of 2.5 kilogram of chicken pellets at $4.20 per kilogram. So I'm gonna kind of guide you, right, by asking you some questions. If 1 kilogram if 1 kilogram costs $4.20, how much would 2.5 kilogram cost? So that's the question you ask yourself, right? If 1 kilogram costs $4.20, how much for 2 kilograms? Change back this to black. So look at the reasoning, guys. Per mean 1, right? But guess what? You buy 2.5. You didn't buy 3. You didn't buy 2 alone. You buy 2.5. So everybody can cost $4.20, right? And you get that's 2 kilograms. How much for half? If 1 is for $4.20, how much for half?
$4.10.
$2.10, right? So that's $2.10. So this is the price we'll pay for the actual chicken. So you total this and tell me how much I get. So this represents the chicken itself. Right? So that's 0, 2, 1, 5, very good. And then 4 and that 8 and that 10. So that's $10.50. That's for the chicken. But we bought some cheese too because of Easter, right? And we bought 0.75. 0.75 is the same as what? In a fraction.
75 over 100.
All right, so that works out to 3/4, right? So all we have to do, just find 3/4 of this. Can you do that for me? Find 3/4 of $10.80. One way you could do it is to find a half of this. And then I find a half of the half. And you get it, right? But we could also divide, or we could multiply by 3 and then divide by 4. All right, so let us see if 4 can go into this without a remainder. So 4 into 10, that's 2. That's gonna leave 2. And then 4 into 28 is gonna leave 7. So this is $2.70. And then now we multiply by 3. So multiply 3, $2.70 by 3. I want you guys to be active today, man. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go. Multiply $2.70 by 3 and tell me what you get.
Sorry, can you repeat what we're supposed to multiply?
2.70. So that's 2. Remember, so you multiply this by 3 and tell me what you get.
Sorry, 8.1.
8.1. So that's this, and that would be our answer. So 0 plus 0, 5 plus 1. And then now that will give us 18. So that will give us our answer would be, as I say, guys, your exams are very challenging at all levels in Jamaica. Your exam challenging. So you have to just get used to the program. It's going to be difficult forever. All right. Our system are designed for us to fail, so we have to be prepared. All right, so we have 5 minutes until the meet end, and then we join back. So it says a customer buys 3 kilograms of tomatoes that cost $1.92 per kilogram, and a packet of pasta that costs $6.92. She gives the shop assistant $20. How much change should she receive? All right, so work out that. No errors, guys. Let's go. You got this, guys. You got this. Don't be nervous, guys. You got this, all right?
Point 32.
How much?
$7.32.
I didn't hear. You're a bit low.
$7.32.
$7.32. Okay. What about the others? Have you finished?
Next.
$7.32. So that's B. Let us see. So a customer buys 3 kilograms. You have to read carefully. Of tomatoes that cost $1.92 per kilogram. All right. So for 1 kilogram, he or she bought 3. Most likely, right? All right. So 326 total for the tomatoes. All right. So you can make the dinner tomorrow. 3 ones 3 and that 5. So for the tomatoes, you pay a total of $5.76. I cook check up some, and then now that's $6.92. So a total money spent 208, 9 and 7. What's 9 plus 7?
16.
All right. So she spent a total of $12.68. However, she gave the shopkeeper a hard $20. What's happening here? What's happening here? If you're not good at takeaway and good at add, you could have tried adding all of these numbers to this and see if which one give you 20. All right. So borrow from the 20, leave 1, 9 come here, so 9 here, so and then 10. All right. So 8 from that, from 10, leave 2, 6 from 9, leave 3, 2 from 7, 2 from 9, leave 7. So that's very good. It's $7. That is correct. It's $7.32. All right, quickly see if you guys can solve this in 1 minute. Solve 2 1/4
over 20.
and wow. All right, so 2 4 is 8 and 1 9 over 4 plus 2 5 10 and then it's 20. 4 into 20 5 5 times 9 45 5 into 20 4. So add these, carry 3, carry 1, so that's 93 over 40. So yes, it is D. 40 into this goes, why may I have 93? 20 for the year, so yeah. Very good. All right, guys, join back same time, all right?